Good morning, sir. I'm Nicholas Nyanggawa Nang Lingkong. I'm from 81105C. For this morning, I want to present the first topic for chapter 2 is my group present is about single entry vs double entry. For my presentation, I will present about single entry. Single entry is bookkeeping is going to be works when you run a small enterprise. Its transaction is small, simple, and not so much transaction in the record. This type of accounting is so large and complex. The system of bookkeeping does not use like inventory, account payable, and account receivable account. Single entry feature as every transaction, only one entry is made in transaction in record books. It seems to be cash and register. Single entry draw in positive or negative for one column. In the system, the entity maintain ledger account with have two columns, but one column is for revenue and expenses account. How does it work? It is actually like a personal checks and cost cash record. It's maintain cash checks, income, expenses, tax, and tax deductions. Single entry calculate net income of accounts, but it does not calculate balance sheet to calculate asset and liabilities account with a maintain double entry bookkeeping. The reason is why single entry does not calculate reconciliation account, and due to this reason, fraud and error of account are not figured it out, and possibly it will maximum. For this reason, it does not accord with general accepted accounting principle or GAAP.
Good morning, sir. My name is Felix Randy Anak Matthew from 81105C. Today, I'm going to present about double entry. In the business world, double entry accounting is the most popular method which is used by small business and other businesses entity. There are two features of double entry accounting. One is every transaction has two sides. One is debit and other is credit. The second feature is transaction has met two accounts. This system of bookkeeping is used like as inventory, account payable, and receivable accounts. If you want to practice accounting in your business, you can keep double entry instead of single entry accounting. Double entry accounting traces your correct financial accounting in the balance sheet and also calculate accurate profit and loss account in the complex business. On the other hand, double entry accounting prevent fraud and make errorless accounts, and it will make sure company's real position from the financial statement. So how does it work? Every transaction has required and corresponding opposite entries. The transaction has action in accounts two times. On the other hand, the transaction has two sides. One is debit and the other one is credit. Here is the key formula that is given. Asset bracket A equal to liabilities bracket L plus OE bracket owner's equity, which is asset is equal to liability plus owner's equity.
Hi sir, my name is Frederick Brand and I'm Nicholas Randy. I'm from class 81105C. Okay, I'm continuing the presentation, which is differences between single entries and double entry system. In single entry system, transaction has recorded either debit or credit. In the double entry accounting system, every transaction has two effects of accounts and it requires and corresponding other entries. Single entry is the simple and small transaction which is easy. On the other hand, Double entry system is figuring out complex as well as it requires experts for maintaining records. In single entry system, records are not completed and accurate, while in the double entry system, transaction is accurate and completed. In double entry system, we can easily compare two accounting periods. Conversely, in single entry system, a period of accounting comparisons is so hard. Single entry system maintains personal cash and small entity accounts. On the other hand, in double entry system keeps personal real and nominal and also uses in small businesses and large organizations accounts. A single entry system is best for personal and small entities, but most of the small and big organizations are maintained double entry system. Frauds and theft are easily figured out in double entry system. On the other hand, single entry system is not preventing frauds and thefts.
Good morning and hi, I am Daniel Japol from 81105C. I would like to present the basic system of accounting. Basic accounting refers to the process of recording a company financial transaction. It is involved analyzing, summarizing, and reporting this transaction to regulator, oversight agency, and tax collection entity. The financial statements used in basic accounting are brief summary of financial transaction over an accounting period, summarizing a company cash flow, operations, and financial position. Basic accounting is one of the key functions in most all types of business. It is typically performed by accountants or a bookkeeper at small company, or by largest finance department with dozens of employees at largest company. The report that various streams accounting generate, such as managerials accounting and cost accounting, are crucial in helping a company management make informed business decisions. Without accounting, it would be impossible to determine which product was successful, which business discussion were effective, and whether the company is generating revenue or making a profit. It will be also impossible to determine how much tax to pay, whether to buy or lease a property, or whether to merge with another company. In other words, accounting is not just about recording financial transactions. It is measure a company's success at achieving a goal and help shareholders understand how efficiently their money is being used. This is why business must be proficient in accounting in order to make a good decision.
Good morning, sir. I'm Luis Anatawan from 81105C. Today I will present about complete system of accounting. Computerized with capabilities for both cash accounting for tax purposes and accrual accounting for management purpose. Computer software written specifically for agriculture uses. Data content is recorded in customized database. Example, track inventories, loan, compute depreciation, handle employee payroll, allow user to maintain cash or basic accrual accounting for each year within the same program. The knowledge that we need are a lot to perform that complete system. The form that we need at complete system are large, and the last one is the price of complete system accounting are more expensive, specific software, free technical assistance at any time.